Hey everyone, Imran from Car Sound Security. Just thought I'd quickly share you a video of this popular upgrade we do. In this particular case, it's a Land Rover Discovery Sport 2016. So what we've done is the car didn't come with any CarPlay from factory because of the year, and these are quite popular mods everyone's asking for at the moment. So we've integrated the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto onto the factory screen, as you can see. So the original screen's touchscreen, so you can navigate through the touch on that aspect. It retains the original screen, so if I just hold the home button down for a few seconds, that's the original Land Rover screen. Again, I hold that down and it's going to flick over. There we go. There you got the CarPlay. This upgrade actually covers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. So if I just flick on here, you've got the options here. I've obviously got it connected to iPhone at the moment. It's completely wireless, so the phone's here. So no wires required, although you have got a connection just here as well if you do want to wire, charge your phone as well as retain the CarPlay feature when you're on there. It's got all the popular apps such as Google Maps, Spotify, Waze, WhatsApp. Your Siri also functions from here, so if you just hold the button down, you'll see, there we go. So here Siri's popped up as well. Retains all your steering wheel buttons as well.
With the car.
Yeah. So everything's retained. Really popular upgrade. Get in contact with us if you're interested in getting this done on your Land Rover. Thanks for watching.